Hello, let's learn how to find out domain and range of composite functions. So first function given is fx equals to 3x plus 2, which is a straight line, and the restriction given is x is greater than 1 and x belongs to all the real numbers. So since it is a straight line, all the numbers which are greater than 1 that are included in the function. So like we can find out 3 times 1, which is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, so that way you can find out the range of the function. And here the second function is gx is x squared plus 1. X squared plus 1 means that your parabola is shifted 1 unit upward. 1 unit upward it is shifted, and all the values which are greater than 8, x values which are greater than 8, they are included in the function. Okay, now let us find out the range of the fx. Range means what? Range means vertical values, right? Like y-axis. On y-axis, how far it goes. So, range of fx would be defined as the restriction is this x is greater than 1. So, the minimum value which our function fx can take is what? Fx, we will find out f1, and that is equal to 3 times of 1 plus 2, and which is 3 plus 2, which is 5. It means that the range of our function would be fx greater than 5. All the values which are greater than 5, they are included in the function according to the restriction given. Clear? Okay. Next is your range of gx. Again, same way we will find. The restriction given is what? X is greater than 8. Okay. So all the values which are greater than 8, they are included. So let us find out g8. This will be our minimum value of our function. So g8 would be what? It would be 8 squared plus 1, x squared plus 1. So 8 squared plus 1, which is 64 plus 1, and that is 65. So it means that what? All the values of gx which are greater than 65, they are included. So that is the range of our gx function. Now next we have to find out g of fx. G of fx means our function g is varying as fx. So wherever x is there in our gx function, there we will put 3x plus 2 fx thing, right? So let us write here. So x squared. Okay, x squared means for x what I will write? I will write 3x plus 2. So that would be 3x plus 2 whole squared plus 1. This is my g of fx. We can simply expand it. So 3x plus 2 whole square, I am expanding by using a plus b whole square. Like this identity, I am using a plus b whole square is a squared plus 2ab plus b square. Remember this? Okay, so this is 3 3s 9x squared plus 3 2s 6, 6 2s 12x, and plus 2 2s 4 and plus 1, and that would give me, on simplifying, 9x squared plus 12x plus 5. Okay, so this is my g of fx. Simple. Clear? Now next is we have to find out domain and range of g of fx. Clear? So domain would be what? Our domain would be like whatever the inner function is, what? Fx. Inner function is fx. Okay, so whatever is the range of fx, that would be like included. Okay, so let us see. For finding out domain, what I will do is I will simply restrict this. So this is what? 9x squared plus 12x plus 5. This is our g of fx. We are finding out domain of this. For that, what I will do, this is restricted to that this whole value is greater than equal to 65. Why? Because actually my gx value is taking all the values which are greater than 65. That is why we have to restrict this value. So function gfx will also take all the values which are greater than 65. Okay, so now accordingly let us solve it. This is what? 9x squared plus 12x and plus 5 minus 65 would give me minus 60 greater than 0. Okay, And now let us do this middle term splitting thing. So this is 9 times 60 and this is negative. So middle term splitting, if I do, I will get here I think I will get negative 18 and positive 30, and this is 9, so we will have to divide by 9. So I am taking values negative 2 and 30 over 9 is what? That is 10 over 3 simplified. So our intercepts would be 3x plus 10 and x minus 2 greater than 0. Okay, so here x value would be equal to negative 10 by 3, and from here I will get x value equal to 2. And this is greater than 0, so this value is valid, so x is greater than 2. Okay, so x greater than 2, this becomes the domain of our g of fx. G of fx, this is the domain of our this thing, g of fx function. And range would be what? Range would be this only, our fx value, g of fx cannot take values which are less than 65. So g of fx, range of g of fx would be, range of g of fx would be greater than 65. Clear? Let us try to do the next question. Okay, next question is what? Again, one is linear function, fx is equal to 2x minus 1 for x belonging to real numbers and x is greater than 3. Okay, and here gx is x squared minus 2 for x is belonging to real number where x is greater than 7. Again, we have to find a range of fx. X is greater than 3, so keeping this in mind, we will find out f3. F3 is what? It is 2 times 3 minus 1, and that is 6 minus 1. Okay, 6 minus 1, and that is equal to 5. So my fx, range of fx would be what? Greater than 5. Fx would be always greater than 5. Clear? Okay, now range of gx. Here the restriction is x is greater than 7. So let us find out g7 value, and that is what? 7 squared minus 2, which is 49 minus 2, and which is 47. It means that range of our gx would be what? Gx value would be greater than 47 always. Clear? Now let us find out g of fx function, and that is what? G is what? X squared minus 2. Fx is 2x minus 1. So wherever x is there in our gx function, we will put 2x minus 1. So x squared means 2x minus 1 whole squared and minus 2. Again, let us open it. So by opening, I will be getting, again, this is opened by a minus b whole squared, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, and that is 4x squared minus 2 2's 4x and plus 1 minus 2. That would give me 4x squared minus 4x minus 1. Okay, and this value is never greater than never less than 47, so it is greater than 47. So let us restrict our function. 4x squared minus 4x minus 1 is always greater than 47, and then let us solve it. 4x squared minus 4x minus 48 is greater than 0. Oh, sorry, we have to just find out the function here. Okay. So this is our function. Clear? Now let us find out what the next is, domain and range of gfx. Okay, for domain and range of gfx, we will be doing this. So our gfx is what? It is 4x squared. Our g of fx is 4x squared minus 4x minus 1, and this value is always greater than 47. Gx is always greater than 47, so accordingly we have to find out the domain. So here let us do 4x squared minus 4x minus 1 minus 47 greater than 0, and that is simply 4x squared minus 4x minus 48 is always greater than 0. Dividing by 4 throughout, I will be getting x squared minus x minus 24 greater than 0, and splitting the middle term now, negative 24. So it's negative 6 plus 4, So my intercepts are x minus 6 and x plus 4 greater than 0. So here I will be getting x is greater than, wait, we want negative 6 and negative 24, right? Okay, negative 6 and this thing. Hang on. Oh, it's not 24, my dear. It's 12. It's 12 here. Let us do the correction because 4 ones 4 and 4 twos are 12. Okay, so negative 12 it would be. So here negative 12 and so negative 12. So wait, negative 4, positive 3. Yeah, now it is correct. Yeah, I was wondering why I'm taking like getting 2 here difference. Anyways, so this is x minus 4 and x plus 3 is greater than 0. So here I will be getting x greater than 4 and here I will be getting x greater than negative 3. But according to the restriction, gx is taking all the positive x values greater than 7 values. So it would be, this would be the valid domain of our function. Okay, so let us write domain of gfx would be what? X greater than 4. And then range would be, of course, what? Our gx is never taking values less than 47. So range of gfx would be simply range of gfx would be always greater than 47. Clear? I hope you understood. We will take few more questions in next videos and then I think it would be again more clear. Keep practicing. All the best.